This is the Kiwi Ears Serene. It's a closed back planar magnetic headphones, guys. This thing has been done by Kiwi Ears, and it's a collaboration between Z Reviews, the very famous audio reviewer. So he collaborated with Kiwi Ears to create this closed back planar magnetic headphones. Kiwi Ears sent this product to me 2 weeks ago, so I've been using this since 2 weeks. By the way, the opinion in this video is going to be totally mine, and I have something to say. So let's put this baby on my review table and let's start. All right, here we are. Kiwi Ears Serene closed back planar magnetic headphones. We have the headphones here, the Serene logo. Zeos Pantera, guys. Kiwi Ears, again, closed back planar magnetic headphones. Some specs on the right side, high resolution 72mm by 89mm, guys. Those are the planar magnetic drivers. Fully enclosed planar driver, lightweight, durable, and hi-fi quality. Professional tonal balance. I think this is where Zeos helped to kind of tune those headphones. You can also check, he made some comments in some of his videos. He's been working to get the tuning right. So professional tonal balance, fully enclosed planar driver, and a very comfortable wear, lightweight. Now, I've been wearing this already for 2 weeks and I can confirm, but more to this later. Some more technical specs. Kiwi Ears by Z Reviews Serene. This is the driving information. 50 ohms of impedance. This is the sensitivity. 102 decibels. 10 milliwatts rated power. Maximum power 20 milliwatts. Frequency range 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. And this is the voltage and the THD. By the way, pay attention. Your listening experience may vary based on the equipment that you're using. I've been playing lots of music on my phone and lossless music, DSD files as well. And I had to buy actually a FiiO K11 USB dock to allow me to connect the headphones, and I've been using my Xiaomi 17 Pro and also my S25 Ultra, and they get fairly loud. What do we have at the back? Again, Kiwi Ears by Z Reviews Serene. Here we get the Z Reviews mention and logo again. The Serene is a collaborative project with the world-renowned audio reviewer Z Reviews, Zeos Pantera. With over a decade of experience in reviewing high-end audio products and a cult-like fan base, Zeos has provided his expertise to develop and design the Serene headphone project, which is really, really good because this guy knows a lot about headphones. Really great testing headphones, IEMs, all kind of headphones. He has really a lot of experience. Let's remove the headphones from the box. Piece of plain paper. The headphones here. Boom. Oh, some more stuff inside. This is the user manual. Again, Kiwi Ears by Z Reviews Serene. Oh, a spelling mistake. Not a problem. Planar magnetic headphones. Okay, you're gonna get again some specs. What is this thing here? This is the cable. Let's take a look at the cable, guys. It's covered with fabric and it's looking good, by the way. Also, we have a 3.5mm termination here. Okay, this goes in your phone, and two separate 3.5mm connectors with an indication for right and left. Take a look here, guys. This is the Y split. It has also the Kiwi Ears logo on the one side. On the other side, we have the Z Reviews. And by the way, having a cable like this means that you can also use your own custom cables, right? So the cable is apparently not hard linked to the headphones. And now, without further ado, guys, let's bring the baby on my review table and let me show you. We have some covers here as well. All right, let me remove this. Ta-da! All right, guys, this is the Kiwi Ears Serene. And honestly, it feels great. Let's start from the top. Okay, here we can see we have the Kiwi Ears logo, all right, and also the Z Reviews. It has a nice touch to it. I'm not sure if you can see this from the camera, but it's not completely glossy. It has kind of a texture to it. Let's try to weigh them. 271 grams. That ain't bad. Let's check the ear cups. This is the left one. By the way, very good indication is inside L. This one as well. Also, wow, you can see they really swivel, guys. This thing here seems to be metal. Oh, okay. Yeah, by the way, this thing here is rather hard, which is good, which means the quality that they've used is a good one. So it's not gonna really fall apart on your head. So you can adjust them like this and that on the left and on the right side. Let's check how much they swivel. By the way, you can see, yeah, pretty much, okay? So this thing here swivels a lot. This is the left one. this is the right one. This thing here seems to be metal as well. So we have the metal pivots here, we have the adjustable sliders, and also metal here. Honestly, this is looking good. Also something that looks like metal here. Very, very good, guys. And by the way, the clamping force, I think it's strong. I think it's really strong. And on each ear cup, you have the 3.5mm input that you can use to connect the cable. Let me show you how this works. When you connect them, use the left for the left and the right for the right. I think this goes without saying. So this is the left ear cup. Just slide it in like this. Okay, this is the right one. And boom. You can connect this to your DAW player, you can connect this to your receiver or your whatever source of music listening is. Unfortunately, in my case with my cell phone, yeah, you know, thank you so much, Steve Jobs. So I had to buy an USB DAC, the VK11, and with this DAC, guys, I'm able to actually connect them to my phone. Boom, let me show you how this works. The moment they're connected, I'm gonna start the hi-fi player because I have some DSD music inside. Also, something, guys, that I do believe is very, very important, and in case you want to use them with a USB DAC like I do, make always sure that you are using the USB exclusive audio access, exclusive HQ USB audio access. This is gonna provide you the best sound from your phone, and actually now with the help of my USB DAC, all the music that I'm gonna be playing is gonna be decoded here via this DAC. And by the way, this little DAC has also an indication to show me what type of music I'm listening in. But the main point is, with this type of DAC and with my S25 Ultra, those babies get pretty loud, so you will not have any issue to power them, you know, with a phone and using a very portable USB DAC like I did. Also have in mind that if you're using HQ exclusive USB audio access, you're not going to be able to use the volume slider because right now the USB audio volume has been locked. I want to change it. I will need to go to my DAC app, and from here I can indeed change the volume. There are also other options. You can use some tricks to use this slider here. Now it's time to check the fit. Now, obviously, I know what a fit is because I've been using them already for 2 weeks, but I just want to demonstrate, guys. The most impressive thing is that those headphones, they don't have active noise cancellation, so it's all passive. But the moment you put them on your head, in this case I have a feeling that I can barely listen what happens outside. The moment I lift them up, wow, everything's so clear. So they really provide a very good passive isolation, but what matters most is that the comfort is actually very good. I've been wearing those for hours without observing any noticeable fatigue or issues, and they really stick well. Again, with 217 grams, it's not the lighter one, but for big headphones like this, I do believe that this is very much okay. And the most important thing is, guys, yeah, I really hope that on very hot days my ears are not gonna get sweaty. Right now it's already autumn, so I cannot be sure what is gonna happen in the summer, but they're very, very comfortable because take a look here, guys. This foam is very soft, so you have foam on the both ear cups and also this thing here as well. So in terms of fit and in terms of comfort, I think, yeah, they are very good. Plus, bonus is of course the passive noise cancellation. And now the most important question: how good do they sound? How do those headphones sound? Honestly, I'm very happy with the result. They do have an elevated bass, but it's not that heavy, it's not that bloated. Just throwing everything out of the picture. It's really warm, and it's very important for me because for a lot of the music that I tested those headphones, I was really able to clearly hear all the voltos, all the mid sections, which is very important. The Kiwi Ears Serene is using planar drivers, and the planar drivers are generally considered to be faster compared to other headphones due to the lighter diagram, which means that in theory they should have better transient response. This really means like how quick the driver can start and stop. So I got some help from Gemini asking, hey, suggest some songs where I can really push this to the limit and try to hear with my own ears. And it actually suggested some very nice songs. For example, for testing the bass quality, the control, and the soup bass extension, I played James Blake, Limit to Your Love. There is a section in this song that has a very deep, very resonating soup bass line. And I've used also all my other headphones that I got in my house, which is plenty of them. And I can tell you, this thing here definitely sounds different. The idea is that the planar drivers should reproduce this very clearly and continuously with the texture. And then again, one of the main benefits for using planar drivers, for example, in comparisons to dynamic, is just how fast this thing can be. They have a lighter diaphragm, and This should translate into enhanced detail and instrument separation. And by the way, again, I asked Gemini, hey, give me songs for that. It gave me Private Investigations by Dire Straits and also Playing God by Polyphia. And honestly, enjoying this music on these headphones really made my day. So the sound is very clear. Maybe because of my DAC, of course, I'm limited by my DAC. I cannot really push them to the extreme, but it gets really loud. Vocals absolutely fantastic. The bass isn't that much, but it's there. And I was able to very clearly pick up different instruments, specifically in the percussion area. The sound profile seems to have an elevated bass, but again, it's not so intense. It's not really bloated. There are no harsh spikes, guys. And it seems that there is a gain around 2.5 kilohertz. Honestly, I've been very impressed. If you want to get your hands on Planar drivers, then this could be as well your next headphones. Do not expect the big bass slam coming from the dynamic drivers. It's not gonna be the situation here, but the sound profile is very good. It's very balanced. These headphones come with a great build quality. They do provide also good isolation. Remember, only passive ones. You can change the cable to whatever you want to use. If you want to use custom cables, they have a more natural tuning with a more balanced bass. If that's your thing, guys, then you might as well want to check the Kiwi Ears Serene. And if you like content like this, you might as well want to sub for the channel. Thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna put a link down below in the video description where you can go and check them out. They are going to be available on the 5th of November. That's it. Stay safe, BST over, and bye.